This time I'm taking you to Coal Harbor, Seaplane Terminal, iconic harbor center, and crane building. No matter how often I've been here, I've always come back for more. Something I look forward to, escaping from the hustle and bustle. Especially if you're not from Vancouver, it's so much fun to watch it till the end. Hello everyone, I hope you're having a good day. Today we're going to continue walking around downtown Vancouver. But first I'd like to thank you for your full support all this time. From subscribing, giving your thumbs up, leaving your comments and sharing with your friends. That will help YouTube algorithm to suggest this video to other viewers. And for my new friends, my name is Fanda and the channel is Cerita Fanda Vancouver. Thank you for joining in. Please consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated with my next video. Coal Harbor is overlooking Burrard Inlet with the North Shore Mountain standing in the background. The name Coal Harbor originates from the history of coal that was discovered in this harbor in 1859 by Colonel Moody. 3 years later, the first settler came to Vancouver and settled in this area. Enjoy the stunning marina and the places I will show you around. While the North Shore Mountains is standing in the background, not only pleasing in the eyes, but it feels magical to me from season to season. As you can see here, we meet strangers and friendly people, sharing the same scenic views. What's the name of the closest mountain in your country that you find it amazing? You can write it down in the comment if you like, so I can look it up and enjoy its beauty from where I am. Nowadays, don't get discouraged if you can't travel far or going overseas. Admiration for nature through videos is a good alternative. Watching the seaplanes come and go is quite romantic and always gives me a sense of travel. You can also treat yourself to flight seeing tours. So instead of sightseeing tours, it's flight seeing tours. If you want to get a taste of taking off and landing on water without actually going anywhere. Isn't that great? This particular seawall runs from the Vancouver Convention Center to Stanley Park. There are a number of monuments and artwork along the way, worth stopping while you're walking or cycling there. the opening ceremony for the 2010 Olympic Flame and Paralympic Winter Games took place here. Jackpool Plaza also has places to eat on the patio at Cactus Club and the Tap and Barrel. Modern high-rise condos. In Cole Harbour, you definitely will see nature meets modern design, creating a welcoming neighborhood. Take your time and enjoy the pleasure of the building architectures here. Maybe it can inspire you in some ways, whether for art designs or drawing purposes. Iconic Harbour Centre Business Building. This most iconic landmark in Vancouver was opened in 1977 by American astronaut Neil Armstrong. It was the tallest building in Vancouver at the time. At the top, there is a revolving restaurant with Vancouver Lookout to enjoy 360-degree stunning views of Cole Harbour, Stanley Park, and downtown. Crane or Betty Building near Chinatown and Stadium. Crane, for a second, I thought it was a European building. It was built in 1911 and originally it was a Crane Company warehouse. Outside on the top below the flags, we can see the word Crane. In 2008, the Townline Group converted this building into residential apartments and is called Betty Building. At this stadium station, you can see this train is called Expo Line, operates two routes. The first connects downtown Vancouver with the cities of Burnaby, New Westminster, and Surrey. The other connects between downtown and Production Way University Station, Burnaby. It's been wonderful showing you around downtown Vancouver. There is a possibility of part 4 video if I can find interesting places that I haven't covered. Otherwise, I'll make sure to keep every video appealing for your taste. That's it for today, and I'll see you in the comments below. If you have any questions about Vancouver in general, feel free to write it there. Please give it a like if you enjoyed this video, and please share with your friends and relatives. See you on my next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a happy day.